Let me explain the rotation of the spine. Consider this is the head and this is the spine. Think of turning the neck and look back, behind. This kind of movement is necessary. This is a rotation with the whole spine, together. It would be very difficult to move only the neck without mobilizing the entire spine. Do you see it? Can you see that it is moving only a little? If you try to move the entire spine, you can rotate it more. Well then, make the shape of the hose a bit more close to the real human spine. You are looking at the spine from the side. Now you have front view. This is a new turning. If you move the whole spine together, it rotates this much. Even if the part of the hose is fixed with my left hand, it can move pretty well by this curvature of the spine. The protruding part, in the middle, is moving its position in the air. Do you see? In the picture. Let's close up. Oops. How is it? Stomach part, protruding part. You can see that it is moving right and left. Because of this curvature, it is possible to move more. If you further try to increase this rotation by letting my left hand a bit loose, movement it like this. The angle becomes large. When all this feeling is integrated, it rotates further and further, till the bottom starts to moves. It might be quite a difficult feeling. First the neck turns, then the protruded part starts to move to the left. And gradually, the part held with my left hand starts to move like this. Just holding this image firmly will improve rotation considerably.